President Biden just kicked off a virtual global vaccination summit at the White House. The world leaders and nonprofit organizations will try to figure out how to vaccinate 70% of the global population within the next year.
President Biden has announced the U.S. is doubling its purchase of Pfizer's COVID-19 shots to more than 1 billion doses to share with the world.
For every one shot we've administered to date in America, we have now committed to do 3 shots to the rest of the world.
The announcement follows the theme of global cooperation that he put forward in his speech to the UN General Assembly. The new vaccine donation works toward the ambitious goal of vaccinating 70% of the world population. But currently, only 43% of people globally have received a shot. President Biden is also pressing other wealthy countries to do more.
This is an all-hands-on-deck crisis.
The global push comes as the U.S. faces some criticism from groups such as the World Health Organization for planning a vaccine booster campaign, while many people in poorer nations have not yet received one dose. In fact, the FDA is preparing to announce plans for a Pfizer booster as early as today. Last week, an FDA advisory committee recommended a 3rd dose for older Americans 65 and up, as well as those at high risk. A CDC advisory committee is meeting today to begin its debate of next steps for boosters.
Given the types of immune responses we're seeing here, as well as the real-world evidence, this bodes well for the vaccine to provide substantial benefit to those individuals that are boosted.
Health officials must also determine what to tell Americans who receive Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines, since the current discussions focus only on Pfizer.
According to the CDC, more than half of teens are fully vaccinated, but the average pace of first doses in the U.S. is slowing down.